In this video, I will show you how to set stop loss in expert option. So if you want to set your stop loss, first things first, head over to the expert option app or web platform. Now from in here, just choose the financial instrument that we need. It can be Euro or USD or gold that you want to trade. Make sure to actually switch to the Forex or CFD mode. This because it's only available to that particular trading type. So for example, for in here, just choose head over right here, the Forex that we want. Now from in there, you just need to head over and then set up a trade. So from in there, click on buy or sell after choosing your investment account or investment amount. For example, let's choose in here $10. And then after that, just head over and then choose in here an option. So you can head over and choose in here. And then after that, look for a stop option or this another option that we have right there. So once you're done, you can head over and see in here that and then make sure to open trade after this.